Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the compound binocular microscope. Whether you're a clinician, a high school or university student, or just a passionate hobbyist, this sleek and multi-purpose microscope is designed for you. With 6 wide-field magnification settings, ranging from 40x to 2000x, this microscope allows you to view even the tiniest details of specimen slides. The professional 30-degree inclined 360-degree swiveling binocular head, equipped with interchangeable wide-field 10x and 50x glass eyepieces, ensures a comfortable and ergonomic viewing experience. The sturdy framework with a 3D double-layer mechanical stage and coaxial coarse and fine focusing, paired with powerful single-bulb LED illumination, provides clear and precise imaging. And with our satisfaction guarantee, you can be confident in the high quality of our product. So, if you're ready to take your specimen viewing to the next level, be sure to check out the compound binocular microscope in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.